Hello guys. Today, we are going to cover 5 best tower fans in the market, which are the best for you considering some valid reasons that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Seville Classics UltraSlimline 40-inch Oscillating Tower Fan. This Seville Classics UltraSlimline 40-inch Oscillating Tower Fan is an ideal choice for effective and efficient cooling. With its slim and sleek design, it looks great in any home or office. The fan features an oscillating head that helps to circulate air throughout the room. The 3-speed settings allow you to adjust the airflow to suit your needs. Additionally, the timer lets you control the fan for up to 7.5 hours at a time, so you can set it to turn off when you're not around. With its 40-inch height, the fan can be placed in any corner of the room, providing maximum cooling coverage. The fan also has a built-in carry handle so you can move it around easily. The UltraSlimline fan is the perfect choice for a cool and comfortable home. Pros: ultra-slim design allows for efficient use of space. Oscillates to provide maximum air circulation. 3 speeds for customized cooling. Lightweight and portable design. Quiet operation. Cons: timer does not have adjustable settings. No remote control. Limited oscillation angle. No additional features such as air purification. Number 2. Our second best pick is Lasko U35115 Electric Oscillating High Velocity Stand-Up Tower Fan. This Lasko U35115 Electric Oscillating High Velocity Stand-Up Tower Fan is the perfect solution for cooling off during the hot summer months. With its oscillating fan head and high-velocity air movement, this tower fan will provide you with a refreshing breeze throughout your entire home or office. It also features a timer and remote control for easy and convenient use. This fan has adjustable height and a low-profile design that fits perfectly into any room. The 35-inch design is perfect for larger rooms, and the silver-black finish adds a modern touch to any decor. With its powerful motor, this fan will keep you cool and comfortable all year round. Pros: powerful motor for high-velocity air circulation. Oscillating feature for even air distribution. Timer and remote control for convenience. Compact design for easy storage and portability. Suitable for indoor, bedroom, and home office use. Cons: noisy operation. Number 3. Our third best pick is Arctic Pro Digital Screen Oscillating Tower Fan with Remote Control. Introducing the Arctic Pro Digital Screen Oscillating Tower Fan with Remote Control. This sleek, modern fan is perfect for cooling off in the hot summer months. With its powerful 3-speed motor and digital display, you'll be able to easily adjust the settings to customize your cooling experience. This tower fan also features a remote control for easy adjustment from across the room. The oscillating feature allows for a wide range of coverage to keep you cool and comfortable. The dark gray finish complements any room decor. With its 42-inch height, it will fit in any space. Get your Arctic Pro Digital Screen Oscillating Tower Fan with remote control and stay cool even in the hottest weather. Pros: oscillates to provide better air circulation. Includes a remote control for easy operation. Features 3-speed settings. Has a timer for convenience. A 42-inch tower fan maximizes air circulation. Dark gray color is attractive and subtle. Cons. Not adjustable in height. Only one color is available. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Oscillating Ultra 42-inch Oscillating Bluetooth Tower Fan. Stay cool and comfortable all year round with the Oscillating Ultra 42-inch Oscillating Bluetooth Tower Fan. This tall, slim tower fan is perfect for any room and offers 3 speeds, up to 8 hours of continuous operation, and an oscillation angle of up to 90 degrees. With its Bluetooth connectivity, you can control the fan from the comfort of your phone or other compatible device. The fan also features a sleek, modern design with LED lighting, a remote control, and an adjustable base for added convenience. Enjoy the cool breeze and stay comfortable with the Oscillating Ultra Oscillating Bluetooth Tower Fan. Pros: Bluetooth enabled for easy control. Ultra slim design saves space. Oscillating feature for wider air circulation. 3 speeds for adjustable airflow. Cons: no remote control. Not suitable for large rooms or areas. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Genesis Powerful 40-inch 360-degree Oscillating Tower Fan. This Genesis Powerful 40-inch 360-degree Oscillating Tower Fan with Max Air Quiet technology and remote, black is perfect for cooling rooms of all sizes. This fan features a powerful 3-speed motor and an oscillation option for superior air circulation. The Max Air Quiet technology ensures that the fan operates quietly so you can enjoy a peaceful environment. The fan also features a digital LED display and a remote control for easy operation. With its sleek and modern design, this fan is sure to look great in any room. The Genesis fan is the perfect choice for cooling your home in style. Pros: powerful 40-inch fan provides strong airflow. 360-degree oscillating technology for wide coverage. Max Air Quiet technology for low noise levels. Remote control for easy access. Sleek and stylish design. Cons: expensive price tag. Not suitable for large spaces. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Have a great day.